Senior jeans were not a thing when I was coming along, but they're definitely a thing now. And these dual tip fabric markers are hopefully going to help accentuate the fabric that we've already cut out and adhere to these jeans. I think I'm going to try the pink, the white, and the blue. They have two different tips. So there is the more fine point tip. I think this would be great for any detail work, layered work. And then there's the traditional larger tip. I'd say the fine tip is like 1 millimeter and the brush tip is 2 to 3 millimeters. So you can just kind of control more with the fine tip for sure. Love the tip flexibility. Also love that they're quick drying and they're not designed to bleed. So I'm not seeing a lot of bleeding here. Even layering, I'm putting the white with the fine tip over a pink heart that I made. And looks like it's working fine on denim. It's also designed for cotton, polyester, canvas, all those that don't have as much texture. So I think it'd be even better with a less textured fabric. So I'd say you can definitely layer these colors, and you do want to make sure you heat set them, setting them in, and let it last a lot longer without the fading. I think what sets these apart is the combination of the fine and the larger tip, and it has a lot of instructions here. You do want to wash your fabric in advance, make sure that you have cardboard between it if it's a thin fabric, and then make sure you let it dry and heat set it if you want the brightest solutions. Lots of colors here. I love that it even has metallic gold, which is beautiful in person. And I love that once you heat set it, the artwork is part of the fabric. It's not sitting on top or peeling, so you can rewash it again and again. Absolutely impressed with these. Hope this helps.